Hi everyone. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to make your Windows 11 PC automatically shut down at a specific time? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up an automatic shutdown using Windows Task Scheduler, and I'll even share a method using a keyboard shortcut. First, open Windows Search by pressing Windows+S, type Task Scheduler, and select the utility from the results. Next, in the Task Scheduler window, navigate to the menu bar and choose Action greater than Create Basic Task. Then on the Create Basic Task wizard window, click the Name field and type a name for the task, such as Automatic Shutdown. Optionally, you can add a description for the task. Afterward, click Next. Next, you'll be asked to choose the frequency of the task. If you want your PC to shut down just once, select one time. Alternatively, you can pick another option if you need a recurring shutdown. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Then set the date and time for when you want your PC to automatically shut down. Once everything looks good, click Next. Next, you will be asked what action you want to perform at the specified time. Choose Start a Program, then click Next. Then click the Browse button and navigate to the following directory, C:\Windows\System32. Select the shutdown.exe file. This is the file that will execute the shutdown command. Next, under the Add Arguments, optional field, type the following arguments, /s/t0/f. Here's what each argument means. /s tells the program to shut down the PC. /t0 specifies that the shutdown will occur immediately. You can replace the 0 with any time you need. // forces the shutdown even if there are any apps preventing it. Once you've entered the arguments, click Next. Then review all the details of the task. If everything looks good, click Finish to create the task. If at any time you want to stop the automatic shutdown, simply open Task Scheduler, right-click the task you created, and select Delete. Click Yes when prompted. By following these steps, your Windows 11 PC will automatically shut down at the time you've specified, helping you save power and automate your daily routine.